Alright, so if you are looking to invest into the meme coins, and if you are worried in which token you have to invest, and if you have been continuously facing this issue that the most meme coins are following this pattern, they just go 3x, 4x, 5x, 10x, and then again went to zero. If you are really frustrated with this kind of chart, then this video is for you. But I just want to make sure to you guys that because this video is not gonna be very straightforward video, that I will not tell you in this video these are the top 5 tokens that you have to pick for the investment. So this is a complete deep dive understanding and thoughtful video, and in this video I will also show you the most expert person into my opinion over the Twitter, what he is saying about the meme coins in this video. So if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, just hit on the subscribe button so that you can get quality information related to crypto and airdrop investment into your YouTube feed. So let's begin the video. So this is the chart. As you can see, this is the chart of bear token. So it went from this place to this place, and now the market cap is $12 million. And what is the market cap at all-time high? That was around $300 million. So it is way down. I would say it is reaching towards zero, and this is the most common pattern you will see while trading the meme coins. If you see the another chart that everybody was following, the Sun Pepe. So this is gonna be another Pepe into the Tron ecosystem. But what happened? You can see that this went up to 20 to 25 million, and everybody was saying this is the next Pepe. And now it went to 500k, 600k valuation of the whole Sun Pepe ecosystem. So this is the common pattern. How to find it out? Which crypto token, which meme coin you have to choose while investing? So this is the another chart. If you see, so this is I just want to give you, this is the Giga chart. If you see, this chart is going up and then a bit of sideways, then up, a bit down, and then up, then up, and then up. So this chart is continuously going up. And right now, if you see, the market cap is $130 million, and this is in a growing pattern. I think this kind of patterns are actually good for the investment, but still this is not my financial advice, but these kind of patterns actually are helpful finding the real cult based meme coins to invest. Let's see another chart. This is the Popcat. If you see the Popcat, this is again $500 million market cap Popcat, and a lot of people are investing into it, and this chart is continuously going up into this from whole August when the whole market was bleeding. Popcat is able to survive and not crash that much. So these two tokens, basically Giga Chat and Popcat, are really good. And if you go with another meme on Solana, which is the WIF is also good. But if you see, this was at all-time high of around 4.85 and went now to 1.5. So this is again a decline, but I would say this is a very good meme coin, and we can expect a lot of speculation into the memes when the market goes down. So what is the strategy? What is the way in which token you have to invest? So I will go through the most respectable person over the Twitter, in my opinion, who is a meme coin analyst. So this is someone, Murad, and I'm following him from at least 3 to 4 months back. And let's go through it, what he's saying. Let's go through all the tokens, all the strategies, all the thought process that he has. If you see, let me go down a bit so that you could understand the whole narrative sequence that he's pushing to the people in crypto. So I think I'm realizing a lot of people are holding 270k market cap coins and thinking that the meme coin super cycle will make them rich with their random micro cap bag. So he's saying most of the people are just putting randomly money into the very smaller coins, 270k market cap, and expecting that they will become super rich just by investing into these coins. No, dude. You gotta join one of the less than 20 hardcore cults with critical mass. So he's emphasizing on something that you should invest into the tokens which are hardcore cult, where everyone wanted to join that, everyone wanted to invest into that. That is the whole concept of the community, whole concept of the investing, where everyone is going, then you have to go there, because if you are early, then you are set. So he's saying you are not gonna make money if you are going into random shit. This is the another data doesn't lie. Metrics show which meme coins are more decentralized. The better distributed meme coin will win, as funds won't risk buying cabal trash to get dumped on by 6 people. So this is his analysis. What he's saying is he has analyzed a lot of meme coins, and GigaChat was his best priority. Why? He's saying Giga has number of addresses holding greater than 0.1% of the total supply, and that is the highest people. So that means distribution among the meme coins allocation is higher here, which is 261, and percentage of owned by the top 100 addresses, top 100 people, how much they are owning, that is 57%. And if you see the other tokens, so my favorite is Popcat again. So number of holders holding is 150. That means distribution is good, but is still less. But in this category, this is again very good, which is 46%. Means if this number is higher, that means distribution is higher. That means it's a good coin. If this number is lesser, means top 100 people, top 100 addresses, if holding less number of percentage, that means that is better token. So GigaChat 47%, Michi for 41 again, this is also good in this category, and Popcat is 46%. So these 4 tokens, which is Popcat, Michi, and Giga. So this is one analysis from the Murad. And second one, this study on-chain data. Giga and Popcat are the most organic, decentralized meme coins on Solana. Just see how many holders Giga and Popcat has. 12,000 Giga holders, 66,000 Popcat holders with $10,000 plus, which is 1,000, and here in Popcat, which is 4,000. Can you see the distribution? So this is the summarization. Percentage of holders holding more than $10,000. What he's saying, what is the percentage of holders holding more than 10,000, which is 8%. That means this distribution is very high. People are holding 10,000 plus into Giga and Popcat. You can see VIF is just 3%. Just 3%, and this is 9%, which is insane. This is another. So he's again saying distance from all-time high. So all these tokens went up to the top, and then like this is 0.96 and this is 0.5. Same for Giga. This went up to 0.03 and now trading at 0.13. So this is the analysis of all the tokens, which is near to the all-time high. So Popcat is just 40% away from the all-time high. Giga is just 45% away from the all-time high. And now you could see Borden is 100% away from the all-time high. That means they have a lot of impact over the BTC crash. And these tokens have survived a lot better than other tokens. So this is a very interesting analysis from Murad. And if you see other tweets also, if you want to make it this cycle, you will need the balls and patience to hold through as many dips as necessary. So okay, something which should be related to the crypto. If the less than 20 market cap meme coin would die, okay. Okay, this. Most of you are looking for the next 30-minute shitter when you should be looking for the next 10 billion cult. Think bigger. So he's saying don't just randomly put in the money into random tokens which have market cap of less than 1 million in the hope that this will go to the 1 billion and you will do 1000x. He's saying no, don't do it. Go with the cult meme coins. Like in the case for the Popcat. Popcat is now sitting at $500 million market cap. And we have already seen all the metrics, number of holders, distribution of the token is very fair. And this is the leading meme coins in all the metrics. And the market cap is suggesting that 500 million market cap is really good. Like this token is doing well and this seems a very legit token. Everybody has the some positive aspect for this Popcat. So he's saying rather than investing into lower market cap tokens into randomly, just try to put in the money into the top proven meme coins, Popcat, Giga. So he's saying if Popcat is sitting at $500 million and if went up to 5 billion, just like VIF went to 5 billion, that is 10x from here. So if you invest $500, $100, whatever is your investment size, if you are able to do 10x this cycle with this Popcat, just one meme coin, what is the problem? Why you are searching for 100x? Even you can't do 100x. That is the reality. And when you hit the 100x, you must fail at least 50 to 60 random meme coins. And average, if you see, that average will go to 5x, 4x. Then why not investing with proper research, with proper metrics analysis and investing into Popcat, Giga and same kind of tokens which are very good into the metrics where data is suggesting you should invest. Just go into those meme coins and have patience. And I hope that patience will pay off. And that is what is the thing I want to convey into this video. Don't fall into the trap of going into 100x. Just find some good tokens where data is supporting and go with that and do 10x, 20x, 15x, 10x. And that's it. Don't go for the 100x. I'm telling you that is not going to work. 100x is very lucky thing. And mostly the people who are into this, who have backing, who have insider info kind of thing, only those people can make 100x. It's very hard to get 100x. So this is another data you could see. Popcat, Giga, Ponky, VIF. These four are performing really well. Then why you are putting your hard earned money into some random meme coins? That is not going to work. You have to invest here. That is what I have created the video. So if you like my content, just hit on the subscribe button. I hope this video is able to make a 1% change, a bit of difference into your decision making of investing into the meme coins. That is what I have agenda in my mind. So that's all about this video. See you into the next video. Thank you.